Look, what's going on out here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Look, walking zombie. Look. Walking zombie here in Croydon, people, yeah. We're there, so I cook the food. That is one of the homeless people that come and eats every day. He's attending to the police there, right on site. You understand? So yeah, police is attending to the scene right now, people, yeah.
Spice or alcohol?
Yeah?
One or the other?
No. Outside with the kitchen, and this gentleman says that if you was to save something, no, this is important. If you was to save your brain or your liver, go on, tell them.
What would you choose?
What would you choose? Why you come up with that though?
I think the thing is, if you destroy your brain,
Yeah.
you're just gonna get some like disease where you can't heal it. But the liver, you can stop it,
Yeah.
and then pump it with. And before you get to, I know, like if you would know, like they could help it out. You can stop it just so it gets too bad, and you can take medication. But then you always gas up too bad.
Are you a drinker?
You're always going to let it hooks you just the same.
Are you a drinker?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
Only do it because it bubbles me up. No, they say champagne. It bubbles up here. Bubbles. You see it at the pub, but I know it's antisocial.
Can I ask you one question? If you don't mind.
No, go.
Do you suffer from mental health?
I have had that. No, ain't even funny. They give you this medication. Don't even help you out, bro.
What is it called?
For Pixel. It's some weird thing they invented back in the 60s.
And how much times a day do you have to take it?
Once a month. They put this. No, it looks like, yeah? See the stink bombs?
Yeah.
Years ago.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like, bro. I've seen it.
You see the food that I'm cooking? This food here. You see this food here that I'm cooking? That's for your brain, that's for your liver, that's for your mind, that's for your body, and that's for your soul. And that's gonna make you feel good inside. That is it.
I'll come back when it's food on.
Yeah, come back in like half hour. Good vibes, people, yeah. We're outside with the kitchen. One love. That is it. Another amazing day with the kitchen on the roadside. You understand? The makeshift Jamaican style hand cart, people, yeah, is fully active and fully on the go. Fresh vegetables. Them. Hold on. Look, what's going on out here? What's going on? Look, walking zombie. Look. We've got a walking zombie here in Croydon, people, yeah. We're there, so I cook the food. What do you think it is?
Spice or alcohol?
Yeah?
One or the other?
No. You want some soup? You give him some soup. Give him some soup.
Look at his eyes. That's what I'm saying. Look at his eyes. He's got his fucking trousers down, mate.
So what we've got in here, look, let me show you what's in the pot today, yeah. Look. So look, in the pot, yeah, we have sweet potato, we've got okra, we've got scotch bonnet pepper, we've got thyme, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got red onion, we've got red pepper, we've got yellow pepper, green pepper, you understand? We've got turmeric, we've got ginger, the pumpkins there, we've got plantain in there as well. Everything in there now. We have yam in there as well. We have scallion in there as well. What's going on over there?
The dumpling in there.
That's the only thing we're in there because remember it says the ital thing. So no dumpling in there. But this is ready in a couple minutes. Yeah man, we're ready in a couple minutes. A good vibes.
So my one on you, yeah?
Yes, big man, you're right, yeah? We're ready, you know. We're ready. Wow, we're there, man, outside with the kitchen. Bubla, thank you for telling us your story the other day and letting everybody know what you've been through in life. Because they're all asking you how you've been. So I just want you to just tell everybody that you're all right, you're safe now,
I'm
innit?
safe, man. Look up there.
He said the sky is blue.
Yeah, it's all good, man.
A good vibe, Bubla. Respect, yeah? I think he's had a little bit too much to drink, but this is Croydon, people, yeah? This is what you're gonna get in Croydon, yeah? People are gonna turn themselves into zombies, just like that. So I'm just showing you, we're out cooking, and I'm just showing you what's happening while we're out here cooking at the market, people, yeah? You right, love? You want some soup? Yeah, too much to drink.
Really?
Yeah, too much to drink. Too much to drink. All right, everybody, we can't get no better than this. Bubba, we're gonna start sharing out this food, you know. Yeah. So we reached that point now, people, yeah, so we can start sharing out the food, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Big up yourself to everybody that's been here, you understand, with us. The mission continues, said way. You see that some people on the roadside and turn themselves in a zombie, you understand? But we've got Lucky there helping out at the same time, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Look, the police has just turned up as well, people, yeah. So, yeah, man. Adam, that is one of the homeless people that come and eats every day. He's attending to the police there, right on site. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Everything on camera, and we're capturing everything today, people, yeah? Just let you know what's happening out here, you understand? Our good vibes. We're out here and we're cooking food, and this is the incidents, what's happening while we're out here cooking, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Said way. So yeah, police is attending to the scene right now, people, yeah. But you see what they do? They call it police. They don't call it ambulance, you know, they call it police. They ask for police. You see it? They ask for police. But they said that they're open, but they ask for police. You understand? My man don't want to see the police. You don't want to see the police. You want to see an ambulance. You don't want to see no police. You get what I'm saying? Call the paramedics. They call police. I have to show what I go on out here. I had to come out right to this exact location again, people, yeah? Why? Because right at this point right there, people, yeah, there was a walking person. And what I want to just explain to you guys and what I've realized, because I've done some research here, in Croydon here, there's a lot of people here. The town is known for a lot of homelessness and a lot of people going through rough times. And a lot of these rough times that people are going through, yeah, they find themselves taking different type of substances and maybe alcohol, drugs, just to bypass the time and just to bypass their day. You understand, people, yeah? And then it becomes an addict, where this guy here, he smoked some spice earlier on that day, because I've done my research and I found out why he was moving the way he was doing. He smoked some spice and he was having an outer body experience live here, walking through the town, not knowing himself, not knowing who he is. And I'm just asking each and every one of you, you understand? Just be safe over the Christmas and be merry, you understand, people, yeah? Because there's a lot of people out here and you think that they're just normal people just walking down the high street, but some people are highly under the influence of certain type of drugs and substances that you could never believe, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, I one love, a good vibes, you understand? The walking zombie terrorizing the whole town of Croydon, you understand, people, yeah? And I'm sure in other towns they have other individuals that's had experience or that's passing through these types of experiences that people, the public, has to see and has to go through. And some of these experiences and some of these moments that happen, they're traumatizing to young ones, especially the young ones that are walking up and down on our high streets, people, yeah? So our good vibes, one love to each and every one of you, yeah? That is it. Big up yourself. I see you again in a couple of days. Guess what? I was out last night, yeah? Camping out with a homeless person. Look out for that video, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it. As we're coming into Christmas, people, yeah? And it's that time of year. It's festive. A lot of people are gathering their fruits, gathering their vegetables, gathering their last minute shopping, because next week is going to be Christmas. So one love to each and every one of you. You understand, that's watching this video. You understand? And I just want to say thank you very much for 20,000 subscribers. Our family is growing so rapid, people, yeah? Let's keep hitting those like buttons, keep sharing, keep subscribing, people, yeah? Our good vibes. I appreciate every single one of you, and wherever you guys are watching from around the world with your friends and family, big up all of you always, people, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it. Just on the way out, people, yeah, leaving out of Croydon right now, but look, they've got some fresh lobsters there. Our good vibes.
They say when they catch lobster like that.
Man.
He said, come and go catch all the lobsters and scorpions. Them crabs.
That is it.
Yeah.
They're getting stored up right here.
Yeah.
In this fridge here. One love, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Our good vibes. Right, everyone, quickly, yeah. Adam's just gonna give you guys an experience, yeah, of what spice can do. You understand, and what it will do to your body. You understand, if you intake it, especially if it's the first time you've ever taken this.
Yes, not a good thing to take. Like first, I never knew about it until my cousin was doing it, and he looked like he was in a different place. Like
Another planet.
Words can't explain it. Like, it's not another planet. He was here on Earth, but just like almost like daydreaming this madness. And I had a bad experience once. I was in hospital for food poisoning.
Yeah.
And my cousin come along with me, and there was this woman in the hospital. She said, "Look, do you want to come and smoke this?" I said, "No, I don't do it." And my cousin said, he's like, "I'll come and have some." I said to him, "Look, you do that, mate, I'm leaving you. I'm not going to be with you no more." So he goes out, he smokes a couple of tokes on it, no word of a lie. He'd probably done about this much, just a little tiny amount. Like, let's say for instance we're smoking a cigarette. Yeah. About a saves of a cigarette. So
let's say what, couple pulls? Quarter of a cigarette?
About a third of a cigarette. About a third of a cigarette's worth.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden he's just gone, eyes rolling, he's wobbling, staring into space. Couldn't, even if you click your fingers, mate, you wouldn't wake him up. And
like an out-of-body experience.
yeah, he basically ended up in hospital himself. He ended up getting himself hooked up on the monitors. And I stayed there with him for 5 minutes. I couldn't leave him, like, to know his family. I couldn't leave him, but I stayed there until he was like through, had the IV drips and got himself sorted a bit. But after that, I had to say to him, like, I can't see people like that.
Yeah.
It's not a nice thing to do. It's, as they call it, the zombie drug.
Yeah.
It definitely zombifies you.
Yeah. Zombie.
Yeah.
It's a terrible thing. Don't go smoking spice. It's the worst thing on this planet.
And even that guy that was in town when we was cooking, yeah, like what would you can see it through this video that you've watched, people, yeah. Just tell people, like,
mate, he was bad. He was falling into shops. He was falling all over the place. As you saw in the video, he even fell into that woman with the pushchair. Like, bless her. Do you know what I mean? She's got a little child, man. Falling onto a buggy with a little child inside of it.
No, it's mad.
That's mad. Oh,
and this is what makes it so dangerous out here at times, because some people are walking around, and this is what I'm trying to say, they're having an out-of-body experience while they're walking around.
Yeah, around real reality.
Around real reality.
Yeah. And they're moving like they're in a game.
And they're moving like
they're scoring points.
Right.
If you don't know where you are, you don't, like, I've never tried it myself, but from what I've seen from, like, obviously previous experience, people doing it, that I've seen people doing it with my own eyes, they drift off into another universe, as you put it. Like, they're here, but they're not here.
Right.
It's, like, they don't know what they're doing, they don't realise.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, they're in another universe.
Detached from the realm.
Yeah.
No, it's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. And look, people, yeah, we're outside, yeah, and there's like a lot of experiences that we actually go through and that we face, like when we're outside cooking. And before cooking, maybe I wasn't so observant of what was actually going on in local towns and in local areas. Yes, I saw things happening. You can see Adam just mashing up some wood there. Yes, I see things happening and things like that. But at the same time, we didn't actually see the reality of what was taking place. It's only because
You said Mars family.
But you know, like when you're spending time in town, you're like, it's like Croydon, the market, that's kind of like man's working environment where I go and I cook and the vegetables are there. So you know,
being around about 20, 30 years ago.
So you know, being there over and over and over again, you start to see a formation of a reality that people miss.
Yes.
People miss this reality because they're going about their daily causes.
Right.
And if for a minute or 3 minutes throughout the day you happen to be there at that time, you might see something. Because it's not 24/7 right round the clock, is floating through. These realities that people are experiencing, they're walking around, they're never stagnant. They're always moving from place to place. And even when the police come here, the police said, "Right, we can't do nothing."
Yeah, because you're not doing nothing wrong.
He's not doing nothing wrong.
He didn't even want help for himself.
How is helping others is wrong?
Ambulance was response was supposed to be 8 hours, and they said it wasn't that bad of a category. They said it was a mid category, so it's not too bad of a response for an emergency response. They said it's going to take 8 hours for an ambulance to get there.
And
didn't even want help.
Look at this, yeah. The guy, yeah. The experience that he was having, because obviously the medicals can assess and know what level they're on with it.
They understand, like they've had their medical training. They know what people need, how people are, what people have taken. That's another thing. Like even with the ambulance workers, like,
you need quick help.
If you don't tell them what you've done and what you've taken, they're trying to search for other things. Like one of my friends, he had a few different habits. He went down to the doctors. They said it could have been one thing. I think it was something to do with the iron in his blood.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, look, be honest with the doctors, mate. Be honest with the doctors. Tell them what you do. And lo and behold, you know, amazingly, he told them what he actually took and what he had done.
Right.
And they sort of ticked off certain things that was to say, right, well, we're not searching for this because he's not done this. But what he had taken, they were searching for other things. So it wasn't actually something to do with his blood. It was, I can't remember what it was, but it was something else. It was something to do with his internal. I can't remember what organ. It was something to do with his organ. But he was drinking the cider.
Liver, kidneys.
Yeah, he was drinking the cider.
Probably one of the ones that help with detox.
He was drinking the cider quite
get the toxins out.
Yeah, and he was also on another substance. I don't know if I can say Ringo.
They've got classes. So A, B,
Class A. So it was quite a Class A. Not too bad. Not the worstest of Class A's.
But can we say this? Is it why is it Class A? Because it does the same thing as a synthetic Class A, but it looks like a Class B, Class C, which is really a herb. Let's shout out to them rock. I ain't rocking with no fellas, but let me tell you something, mate. When we get back to that original medical program, it's the same guy that's trying to give you a different antidote, but he knew what he removed, which is one of the healing herbs from ancient times. So yeah, sorry sir, can you carry on?
The only drugs we should be taking is from the pharmacy. Nothing from no one else, you know. You never know what you're getting nowadays.
And also, just to intervene as well, yeah, we've also got a natural way of dealing with antidotes, remedies. So let's say, for instance, let's go to basics. Basics. You got a cold, you got a flu, you got a cough, you've got a headache. You see those symptoms? Those common symptoms, yeah, consists of, like, let's say for instance, lack of sleep, your body being run down, with the cold and flu as well.
Yeah,
That's a part
there's
of.
a lot of allergens.
That's a part of like your body will get attacked if your body's been run down, or if your body doesn't get the sufficient amount of
nutrients. Yeah.
sufficient amount of nutrients.
That advert comes out every year. Don't take antibiotics. Like, do you know what I mean? You should be taking antibiotics, but only from your doctor. Like, if you've got a common cold, the antibiotics won't help. But if you've got a bad flu or chest infection, the antibiotics will help. But
Oregano
you need to go
oil
and
is
get it checked out and see what you need. Not try and self-medicate. Self-medication, you can't do. You can't self-medicate because we don't know. You know, we can look up online what we're doing and everything, but
you can if you know.
yeah,
knowing and believing.
you look up online and you
But you know, let me intervene again. Yeah, you know, self-medicating. Yeah, is what we do every day.
Yeah, that's what you. That's how you
by just making our breakfast in the morning, lunch and dinner, and just what we
even
eat,
breathing through the nose.
and then what we eat and drink in between that. That is our medication.
different type of
So
rest.
let's say, for instance, like I said before, like you could be feeling some form of symptoms where it's throat, headache. Sometimes you might need to rest your body, or sometimes you might just need to do the natural things of putting. There's foods. There's food. Look, so there's foods like you said that your mate was maybe earlier when you said that your mate was lacking iron. So iron, deficiency, now you have to tap into things like green banana, green plantain, but potassium, but also the skin base of these fruits as well. So you be boiling the banana in the skin and eating the skin.
Just to say.
And eating the skin will also help and aid certain things that are just prone to people, which is like low in iron, low in vitamin C, low in vitamin D, and also low in zinc and potassium as well.
Yes,
and also calcium.
Yes.
So what Ringo Vision is trying to say to you guys as well, people, once again, one love, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys eat and have a great festive time. But what I'm trying to say as well, iron, zinc, potassium, iron, zinc, potassium, and calcium, Just make sure that we're eating the right putting the right nutrients into our bodies, people, just so that we can fight off basic.
I tell them to take these mineral intakes, vital mineral intakes, boron. So get all the boron, and that will help the intake of the other minerals. Without boron, your bones are becoming brittle. Done. That's it. To take intakes, you need boron first.
There's one vitamin we get for free.
It's the sun.
The sun. Vitamin C, I think it's
Vitamin D.
Yeah, vitamin D. I forgot whether it's vitamin D or C, but it's for free. You come out in the sun, you get a nice bit of vitamin D.
So let's cloudburst a bit.
So look, Adam, again, that's
sort of self-medicating. Yeah.
Self-medicating. You know, man. Come on, bro. We are our best doctors and physicians, and with the help of you guys as well, that's been here on the journey as well, Some of you guys are really good, and you guys know some really old school remedies that's been handed down from your great grandparents. Continue to use them, and just be mindful with the products that we use that are coming off of the shelf, because a lot of these products as well, they're artificial and genetically modified just to enhance flavor. So they're synthetic, people, So let's try and keep to as natural as possible. Remember, Ringo Vision is out here to help those that are in need. But what's important about me helping those that are in need, is that I'm putting the right food, the right nutrients back into the individual's bodies. You understand, people, So our good vibes. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you again, that's watching this video. You guys have absolutely
turn that carbon structure into
you guys have absolutely been amazing this year. You understand? We've hit 20,000 subscribers. I was out last night with this gentleman here. Right. It was his birthday, so look out for the overnight video with lucky people, Our good vibes. That is it.
Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the new year.
Big up, man. Everybody, man. Stay blessed, man.
A good
Regardless of
vibe.
faith.
Big up, come on, look. Big up. Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. More soldiers turning up. Big up them.